Look, look, just look. Just look. Just look at this face. We about to get into it. So today we are going to be getting into the Make It Black collaboration, and you guys, this was something that really sparked my interest. For one, because it's Black History Month, I'm a black woman, and you know, we always want to be included as well as, you know, have our voices being heard. So when I found out that MAC, ULTA, Morphe, e.l.f., and UOMA Beauty were all coming together to further the conversation around the word black, as well as giving back to the community in a way that allows future founders and people in the industry already to be heard and to kind of get their voices out there. So 100% of the proceeds from this collaboration is actually going back to the Pull Up for Change Impact Fund, which gives that money back to the community and specifically pouring into the African American community, because y'all know we need all the support, all the love, and all the togetherness that we can get. So I was very excited to get some stuff from this collaboration, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the palettes that I purchased, as well as a few lipsticks. So like I said, some of our favorite companies actually got in on this collaboration. I know MAC came out with a few lipsticks, UOMA came out with a few lipsticks, as well as an eyeshadow palette. I got the Morphe eyeshadow palette only because it had more colors. I don't know, I was just like, this got more colors. So I went for the Morphe one, and I grabbed two lipsticks from UOMA. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a nice beat today. I did already go ahead and complete my base and my brows, so we can just jump right into this eyeshadow palette and the lipsticks. Alrighty, so we're gonna just go ahead and jump straight into this eyeshadow palette because I'm ready to get my eyes beat, sis. Okay, you guys, this palette is so cute. Like, I feel like, and I'm gonna be honest, I have these colors. I have all these colors in other palettes. However, again, it was for the cause, but I feel like this color story is very nice to have all in one palette. So this comes with 18 eyeshadow colors, and we have a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers in here. You guys, this green color right here is just calling my name. I have no idea what we're gonna do today, but I feel like the green has to be included in the party. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump straight into this makeup look, you guys. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to use Unity as my transition color. I did go ahead to prime my eyes using some concealer. It's actually the same concealer I used underneath my eyes. I do love to use my P. Louise eye base, but for this video I thought, let's just make it easy. Let's not do anything that everyone doesn't have. We want this to just be a nice wash of color on the eyelid. I like Morphe's eyeshadows. Like, they have some of the best palettes. Honestly, that's why I didn't get the UOMA one, because it was a little more expensive than I was trying to spend on an eyeshadow palette, which is actually bad. Like, no offense, UOMA, but girl, I was just trying to, you know, I'm just trying to try it out a little bit. I'm gonna take Work of Heart. I'm going to place this, I don't know, in my crease. I guess, yeah, in my crease. We're gonna place this in our crease. So I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush, and I am just working this directly in my crease. We want to make sure that you build up that color, but like, as you can see, the color's already paying out. It's not even a game. This ain't a game, y'all. I like that these colors are like paying out so good. Like, that was just really just like maybe 1.5 dips. I didn't really even, you know, really dip back into the eyeshadow palette. And like I said, I am not using P. Louise eye base. This is just using just regular concealer. It's giving, it's giving. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and just wing this out, because I literally can't stop winging it. True life, I can't stop winging my shadow. I didn't put any extra product on here, but we're just blending out the edges and working out that Work of Heart, so that way it's a nice gradient. I'm gonna take this color Supernatural, and I'm gonna place this in my outer crease, and I'm gonna just work this color inwards, but also blending outwards and creating that wing that we're going for here. And this is so pigmented. Like, this is way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. Oh my goodness. So just working that outer crease, but bringing in whatever is left on our brush, but focusing again outside. And we're gonna connect this to our lash line. That way it actually creates that wing. I know it looks kind of crazy. We're gonna blend it out, but like this is the vibes, that snatchness right there, okay? Bring it back. Where am I thinking I'm gonna put this green color at is the craziest part that I'm just like, wait a minute, girl, like what are you doing? Where are you going with this? I don't know, but there will be some green added somewhere in this look, best believe. And I'm kind of like snatching this back to my eyebrow, but I'm also not, like, you see this part right here inside on my lower lid? I'm actually trying not to get in there. I mean, I'm probably gonna clean it up with some concealer, but if you can, try not to, because we're gonna actually put another color on that inside. And with Talk the Talk, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to blur out those edges. That way it just is a soft gradient and it's not too harsh. I mean, unless you want to go harsh, girl. Okay, so now that our crease is in place and our wing is defined, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this one is in the shade medium beige, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Now this is gonna take me a second, you guys. This is a part that I personally still struggle with, so just take your time with it. Be patient, and I would say look down so that way you can really see what you're working with, and that way you can cut it without like messing it up. Y'all, sometimes cut creases don't make sense to me because I'd be like, all this work I just did, you want me to cover it up with some concealer? What the hell? Now that we've cut our crease, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to take the color Idle Eyes, and I'm gonna just pack that on, and we're just gonna go ahead and pack that on. So I wouldn't say that there's any fallout that I'm getting from this palette besides this part right here, but that's because I'm trying to pick up a lot of product, and this particular brush is like one that's not, it's not super soft, so I think this one just kind of vigorously picks up product, causing it to have a little bit of fallout, but nothing bad, nothing bad. If it gets a little crazier outside the lines, just use a brush to brush that color away. We're gonna go back and actually enhance the first colors that we put down, but just in case you get some fallout and you can't, you know, see the vision and see the vibe. So the brush that we use to apply Supernatural, I'm gonna go back in with that. So we're gonna clean up where we cut that crease, as well as bringing back that definition. And this is good because if you made any mistakes, you can literally just go over it. Girl, we're using powders, okay? So you can go over it and erase it. Nobody's gonna know. But you also want to make sure to go back and blend out those edges. So we're gonna go back with Talk the Talk on that small fluffy brush and just blend out what we just updated. Okay, y'all, so I'm fiending to use this green, and it's called Poptimus. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and align over where I did the cut crease with that green color. Let's see. Is it gonna show up? I feel like I probably should wet it first. Okay, wet it first, and then grab your eyeshadow. Barely. There we go. I see her. There she go. There she go. That's cute, girl. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I am going to use some liquid eyeliner to create a nice snatched wing. However, I do want to test out the Spill the Ink shade in this eyeshadow palette and see if it's a black enough. So we're going to go ahead and outline our wing first with this color, and then we're going to go over it with some eyeliner. Doing the powder method has definitely helped me create a better wing. It makes it so that it's like a little bit more cleaner, and I feel like I can make it more dramatic first with a powder and then go over and define and, you know, kind of enhance it with the actual liquid liner. And it definitely helps when I'm creating that inner corner. I don't know why, but like my inner corner, every time I do it with liquid, it just waters away. So doing it with the powder kind of helps set a foundation, and then when I go over it with the actual liquid eyeliner, it just stays more. I don't know why it happens like that, but that's how I kind of get my box eye kind of look. That is the eyeliner. I'm gonna touch it up, like I said, with liquid eyeliner in just a moment. So let's go ahead and finish out our bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep it kind of simple since we got a little bit, you know, going on with the eye. Smoke out my bottom lash line. So at this point, if you want to, you can add some concealer, some P. Louise eye base underneath to give it a little bit more color payout. But I'm gonna just try to build it up and see how this palette stands on its own. I always do that. I never really use like P. Louise underneath my eyes. Although I see when people do use it, it makes a difference, but I don't know. That's just extra product, and I'm scared of it getting cakey under there. So I'm like, the least products, the better, in my opinion. Alrighty guys, so I just set my face, so that's why I look a little perspirated, but I went ahead to apply my eyeliner. I did my mascara. I added some eyeliner to my bottom lash line. So we're gonna move on to our lips. So I actually have never tried anything from UOMA Beauty, but specifically for this video, I haven't tried their lipsticks before. So these are matte lipsticks, and we all know that matte lipsticks can be like super drying, or they could be like a comfortable matte. So these are the two colors that I have. You can tell that one's a little bit more pinky than the other. So I'm gonna just swatch it actually on my hand first. Okay, so this is Maya, and you guys, please do not mind how freaking pale my arms are. Like the sun, it just pulled up, but like, you know, we've been in the house, so I'm a little bit pale. However, this is Maya, which is a very cute pink color. And then this one here is ULTA. And I think I'm probably gonna mix them a little bit. I'm gonna try ULTA first. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Cork lip liner. It's like the perfect brown. Look at that. Look at that. Dragon Beauty could never. Ooh. It glides on kind of like a luster. Like it doesn't go on matte, and you can actually like move it around. And it's not hella dry. Like, oh my gosh. And this color, girl. This color, oh my goodness. I think I might have found a new favorite lipstick. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. Okay, I really like how this lip looks with this look. Ooh. Yes, girl. Okay, I'm really loving this lip combo. I'm loving this color. I'm loving it. But to be fair, I'm gonna take this off and actually try out Maya now. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so this one is a little more pink, which is actually not bad for this look because we got a little pink, you know, running through our eyes. What the is going on with my eyeshadow? Hold on. What the hell? What the hell? Yes, this one is giving more pinky vibes. It's not bad though. Like I could do this type of pink. I would actually probably prefer to do it with like Trendsetter, which is a little bit darker lip liner than Cork, but this is actually very pretty, especially with this look and the eye colors that are going on. I think this is a very nice color. However, I'm going in with Maya because I think Maya is so freaking pretty. I'm actually just gonna put it on top and see what happens. Just a little bit. You can absolutely reline your lips a little bit more to kind of give a little bit more of that Cork, but like, girl, I don't even want to put on a lip gloss. Like that's how cute this is on its own. It feels really good. It's not drying at all. Like it's matte, but it's like one of those nice soft plush mattes that's like, I could take this off, as you guys see, I could take this off and reapply and like not have like super crusty ass lips. So, wow. I love it. I love this. I love this. I love these lipsticks. UOMA. Oh my gosh, girl. I am probably going to purchase more of these lipsticks. I haven't been buying lipsticks lately, but these, the formula of these are so nice. And the colors of these together and separately, amazing. I would absolutely get some more of these. Oh my gosh. Now I feel like I need to go try the whole UOMA brand because it is a black owned brand. So I know that their products are going to be bomb AF and they're going to have an amazing shade range. So alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. Oh my gosh, sis, I cannot get over these lips. I cannot get over these lips. Like the way that it feels, the way that it looks, I'm just like, oh my gosh, why didn't I hear about this brand before? Like I've heard of it, but why haven't I tried it? I don't know. So let's just go ahead and address this because these lipsticks, sis, these lipsticks, you absolutely need these. I think these are so amazing. Like I haven't been in love with lipsticks in a long time, but these lipsticks are just so comfortable. Like I feel like it's kind of now drying down, but it's still very much like my lips. Like it's not hella matte, it's not like super chapped, but it's not like super glossy at the same time. Like this is just like a perfect matte lipstick. And again, I got the colors ULTA and Maya. You guys, check out the full range, but these right here, you need these. You need to try these out. This palette, you guys, I love this. I think that this is like one of the most fun palettes that Morphe has done in a long time. Just from my own personal experience with Morphe's eyeshadow palettes, they're amazing. Like, I love them. They're very inexpensive, affordable, and they give you a really good color payout. So this palette right here hits it right on the head as a Morphe palette. Like, I think this is amazing. The color story is very nice. Like I said in the beginning, I do feel like I have like all of these colors in multiple different palettes, but the color story that it has is just amazing because it has a good amount of browns and neutrals in here, but they work for all skin tones, and that is something that I do find to be a little bit tricky, especially with, you know, people coming out with palettes and collabs and all that stuff. Sometimes there's not a dark enough brown or a light enough brown or a neutral brown for someone who is darker skin. I would definitely recommend this palette, especially if you don't have these colors or if you're just trying to find a palette that is very good for multiple kind of looks. Like this look, I don't know, would this look be like a bold look, or would you say this is kind of soft? I don't know. I think the green kind of make this a little bit bold, but this palette has endless possibilities, amazing colors, and definitely top quality color payout, especially for the price from Morphe. Girl, you need this. You need it. If you guys like this makeup look or want to see more makeup looks with this palette, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, sis, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link those all down below so that way you can easily click and follow. As you guys see, we're getting that much closer to 500 subscribers, you guys. I am so thankful and so grateful to have so many people supporting my channel, and I want to get back to you guys. So once we hit 500 subscribers, I will be announcing our next giveaway, but we got to get there first. So please share this video with a family member, a friend, your grandma, your uncle, your cousin, whoever. If you feel like they'd like this video, please share this with them so that way we can continue to grow. But I really like this entire video. Like, everything that I use, I would absolutely use again and again and again. But like, sis, I can't say it enough. I can't say it enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch this. And now I need to go take some pictures. So I will see you guys in my next video.